Marcus and Sarah's crazy video. Today, this is a 3-video. So, this is video number 1 of one of 3 videos. This, what I'm going to be doing is, throughout the house, I'm gonna go around the circle on the whole house doing an obstacle course with this guy. The reason I'm not doing it now is because I'm getting this battery charged. So in the next video, you'll see me doing you will see me building the obstacle course. Next video, I'm driving this around the obstacle course. So, what? So yeah, yeah.
So tune in next week.
What?
Tune into my next video.
Tune into my next video. It should be it will be called number 2 of the I haven't named this yet, of the obstacle course challenge. Bye. Shutting down the video.